Hello everyone. Hi friends. I'm here once again with our lockdown positives, the cooking series, an effort that I'm making during this lockdown period to learn cooking, something which I do not know. So far, it has been an excellent journey. I've did a couple of good dishes, starting with our plain rice and dal, and then we went ahead and made plain rice and rajma, and then we also made the lemon rice, the curd rice, the vermicelli upma, and then so on and so forth. The journey has been excellent. It has been a great learning experience, and I'm thoroughly loving it. So, in continuation to our cooking series, I'm here once again, and it's right now around 4 o'clock in the evening, and I'm a little bit hungry. So I thought I'll make myself something, something very quick to make, and something good, something filling. So I'm today I'm going to make in the evening I'm going to make poha. That's right, poha I'm going to make. And poha is nothing but a flattered rice. So I can just show it to you. So I have taken the poha. I have taken the poha. This is from here you can see it clearly. I have taken the poha. This is the measure that I have taken. This one cup of poha I have taken, and this I just immediately washed it in the water. And 1 cup of poha I have taken, flattered rice, and I washed it in the water, and you can see it here, and I kept it in this utensil. So it's a very simple and easy process, and immediately we can do it. It won't take much of time. So just we'll start ahead with it. So first we'll take a pan for making the poha. I'll just switch on the stove. We'll just switch on the stove, let the pan come to a good heat. So once the pan comes to heat, we will process. And for making poha, I have taken some of the ingredients that I can show it to you. Some basic ingredients that I have taken, and I can show it to you from a closer range. So these things I'll be putting in the poha. So these are the things that I'll be putting in the poha. I've got potato. It's a boiled potato. I have boiled it in the cooker, cooked it in the cooker. This is a boiled potato. This is the tomato. This is the onion, the green chili, and the ginger. I can say it once again. This is the ubla hua aloo. It is a cooked boiled potato. Aloo hai ubla hua, tomato, tomato, onion. This is pyaj, हरी मिर्च, green chili, or ginger, या अदरक. So these things we will be using in making our poha. So the pan has come to a heat. Just put some, again I'll be using ghee. I'll put a couple of teaspoon of ghee. Well, I'll put around 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. That is up to you, as much as you want it. So let it come to heat. Just let it come to a heat. Just increase the flame a little bit. Let it come to heat. I'll take a spatula meanwhile, so that we can proceed ahead with making a poha. So the spatula that I'm taking to make the poha, the spatula that I have with me, the spatula that I've taken to make the poha. Well, the pan has come to a good heat. The pan has come to a good heat, and I'll just start on with the process. So first I will take this onion, and this onion and this tomato, I'll dump it in the pan. So right now the flame is real low. So this is a tomato and the onion that I've dumped it. You can see it. I'm just dumping it, the onion and the tomato, inside the pan. So this since the potato is already cooked, I'm going to put it at last. I'm not going to be in a hurry to put the potato, because potato is already cooked. So this I'll be putting, and let it come to a good fry. Let it get fried. This is it. The onion and the tomato that I put right now. And now I think that I'll also dump in the ginger and the green chili. That is a little bit of flame I have increased. Ginger and green chili as well, I'll dump it. Ginger and green chili also. So this also I put the ginger and the green chili. It's a very simple and easy process. Cooking poha, fatafat you can make it without much of time. It doesn't require much of time. It's a very simple and easy dish. Then you can make it without much of trouble. Quickly you can make poha, quickly. So potato, since it is already boiled, I'm going to put it at a later stage. So this I'm not putting it right now. So well, I also have some other ingredients. That is, I have the cumin seeds. I also have some other ingredients with me. That is the cumin seeds, asafoetida, and turmeric powder. Cumin seeds, jeera, hing, or haldi powder. These also I have. In making the poha, now I'm not sure whether we should use hing or not. I don't know, but I'm using it. Hing I'm putting. So these ingredients I'm dumping it. I'll just put it. I'll just fry it. So these things are put. I'm frying it. Well, I can show it to you from a closer range. I can just show it to you from a closer range how it looks. I can just show it to you from a closer range. The initial vegetables that I put, that I can show it to you from a closer range. So this is it. You can see it in the frying pan. I've taken a frying pan. I've put around 2-3 tablespoons of ghee, and after that I put chopped onions, chopped tomato, chopped green chili, chopped ginger, and then I put cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and hing, asafoetida. So this is it. It is cooking in the pan. So let it cook for some time. And yes, I just forgot. I need to put one more ingredient to increase the richness. That is, I have the fried peanuts. That's right. This is nothing but the roasted peanuts. The roasted peanuts that I have. The roasted peanuts. There's a ready to eat. Roasted peanut. So this also, I'll put a couple of roasted peanuts inside this. This is ready to eat. I already pre-roasted peanuts. So this you can put. I'll put some more roasted peanuts. I'll put some more. It's alright, it's good. Roasted peanuts. Well, everything has to come to a good heat. So everything should get cooked nicely. So that is what we are doing it right now. So nice. It's cooking nicely. I can once again show it to you from a closer range. This is it. This is how it's looking now. The vegetables that I put inside. So this needs to cook. The onion and the tomato and all. This needs to cook. So I'll just put the flame on the medium. And I'll cover it with a lid and let it cook under the covered lid for some time. So that will, add on to this. Yes, I forgot to put salt. I need to put salt. Or maybe I'll put it later on. I'll put it later on. Put the salt. I need to put the salt. Now I'll do one thing. I'm not going to wait. I'll just dump in the potato also. I'll dump in the potato. I'm not sure. I'll just dump in the potato. I'm not sure. I'll just dump in the potato. I don't want to wait. I'll just dump in the potato as well. So let this also cook in the stove for some time. Like this, I was not sure about it. So No problem. I just put the potato inside it. And now I'll put the salt. Now I'll put the salt. 1 tablespoon salt I put. 1 tablespoon salt I put. And this I'll mix it nicely. So I can just show it to you from a closer range. So I can just show it to you from a closer range how exactly it looks after the mixing process. I can just show it to you from a closer range. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. The flame is on real low now. So this is how it looks. Well then, I will do one thing. I'll just cover it up. And let this cook under low flame for say around 2-3 minutes, not more than that. So once it is cooked, we will continue in our next session, the second video clip, wherein we will be putting this poha into the pan and finalize it and make it the final poha, the final step in making the poha in our second video clip. And thank you for watching and keep watching. Thank you.